Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot salsa sauce updated. Gather fresh tomatoes, chilies, onion, garlic, cilantro, lime, and salt. Start by roasting or blistering your peppers and tomatoes to deepen flavor, then char the onion and garlic for smoky notes. Blend to desired texture, season, and let flavors meld for at least 30 minutes. I'll walk you through tasting, adjusting heat, and storing so your salsa stays. Pick chilies based on heat tolerance, from jalapeno to serrano, and prepare a ramekin of seeds if you want more kick. Wash and core tomatoes, then have them for even roasting. Slice the onion and smash garlic cloves, but keep skins on if roasting whole for easy peeling. Toast cumin or coriander lightly in a dry pan for extra aroma, then set everything aside to cool before combining for the blender. Start by roasting tomatoes, chilies, onion, and garlic until you see char and the skins blister, which concentrates the flavor beautifully. Transfer to a bowl to steam slightly, then remove skins where desired and discard large stems. Pulse in a blender with lime juice and salt until you reach your preferred texture, adding cilantro and a bit of fresh tomato at the end for brightness and bite. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.